Hi, this is Jeff from Aquabot Products, and today I'm going to help you get started with the Breeze XLS. So after you've opened the box, the first thing you're going to see is the cleaner, and the second thing is going to be the power supply. These are the only two items we're going to need for right now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to move the power supply about 12 feet from the edge of the pool. We want to make sure that we're not anywhere where the power supply can actually get pushed into the pool, so that's why we're moving it about 12 feet away. Don't plug in the power supply yet. We're going to get to that in a second. Next, what we're going to do is locate the end of the floating cable. This end will get plugged into the power supply. Before we submerge the cleaner in the pool, you'll notice that the default position on the axle is set to the middle. We just want to move it to one of the two sides so that the pool cleaner will clean the pool thoroughly. Next, we're going to put the pool cleaner in the pool. So what we're looking to do here is to take out as much of the air bubbles as possible. So this way it doesn't affect the cleaner's buoyancy while cleaning. And you just want to rock it back and forth a little bit until you think you've got them all out. And once all the air bubbles have exited, you can just let the cleaner sink to the bottom of the pool. Next, just put in some of the floating cable, and you don't need to put all of it in, but just enough so that the cleaner will reach all corners of the pool. Even though this cleaner does have a swivel, not throwing in every single piece of floating cable is going to help prevent any cable tangling as well. Finally, we're going to come over and plug in the power supply. So find your GFCI outlet and plug it in. To turn the cleaner on, hit the on-off button, and you'll notice that you have two options: large pool setting and small pool setting, depending on how big or small your pool is. So for this selection, we're going to do small pool. At this point, the cleaner's running. So after a little bit, you're going to want to shut off the power supply. Either you need to shut it off early and remove the cleaner from the pool, or the cleaning cycle has completed on its own. If you need to remove it earlier than the cleaning cycle has ended, you can come over here and shut off the power supply. Remove the floating cable. This way, no power is going to the pool cleaner. To remove the pool cleaner out of the pool, we're going to gently pull the floating cable towards the surface, and you don't want to yank it. Otherwise you could damage the floating cable, and we don't want that. When you get to the swivel, you're going to want to grab the cable between the swivel and the cleaner. You don't want to damage the swivel, so that's why we're doing it this way. So grab the cable, pull the cleaner to the surface, grab the cleaner by the handle, and just slowly pull it out of the pool. Acidify the pool a little, let the water drain back into the pool, so all the debris is in the filter baskets. Once most of the water's out, set it to the side of the pool, and that's it. And in our next video, we're going to discuss how to clean the filter baskets.